Hey guys, and welcome back. So in today's video I'm going to be unboxing and reviewing this 12 color nail art pens. These are 3D nail polish. You can color and print anything you want on your nails. Alright, so right here we have these 12-piece nail pens. These are acrylic paint pens. They are ideal tools for creating these intricate and detailed designs on your nails. They are super nice. They've got 200,000 plus, 100 million likes. So these are a triple upgraded acrylic pens. They are quick dry and waterproof for the long-lasting essence of 96%. They have a filter pen top, smooths application with an increase of 93.7%. They do have a high color saturation of 90%. So here is the purple one. When you use these ones, you got to make sure that you shake them really well, and then you have to like push down on the tip a couple times just to make sure that it fills the tip up with the ink. So they do have a fine tipped acrylic pen, allows for precise and controlled applications, ensuring a professional finish every time. So right here you can see that I am shaking it up. So now I'm going to try the pink color. Again, you're going to shake these ones up, and then you want to push down on the tip so the tip will get filled with the ink. So you can see that this is a fine tip. This dries in 10 seconds and it lasts for up to 21 days. So right now you can see this is a really light pink. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the back of this box and I'm going to push it down, shake it up, push it down. So you'd have to push it down at least 3 or 4 times for the ink to fill up the tip. You can see right there, and then it makes a really nice little design. I'm going to go and do a little design on my ring finger. So I'm just going to put a couple little dots. You can see you got to make sure that you push it down several times to get more ink. You'll have to keep doing this every time you applicate this after a few times. And then now what I'm going to do is I'm going to do my friend so you can see the art. So if you're looking for some nice, bold, and bright color pens that can help design nails, I would highly recommend checking these ones out. These ones are super pretty. You can do any design that you want. They've got 12 different colors, so these are super nice. I highly recommend checking these ones out.